Before we continue, you will need this component. I saw an amplifier circuit on the internet and I found like this. Then I create this circuit. I put the component on the PCB prototype like this and I solder it, and eventually it looks like this. Well, it is not bad. But when I tried to turn on it, it didn't work. I think there was a trouble with the connection when I soldered it. So I decided to make again on the PCB, which I create my own layout and trying with 5-volt input. But the sound will hurt like this. It's noise. The solution is I give the amplifier 12-volt input and I try again. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and subscribe to my channel, and until next time.